Hello and welcome back to the forge. Today we're gonna keep working on this bastard sword. First we're gonna start off by grinding off some of the excess material because it's very thick. Let's go. Hello, so I'm done for today, and what we've done is that we've grinded in the fuller lines and we've started to grinding the edges. So before the next episode I'm going to grind some more and make it more finished. So what we're gonna do next time is that we're going to start grinding the edge lines so it's a little bit straighter. And we're also going to grind with the narrow wheel in here to make the groove a little bit thinner and lighter, because it's still a bit heavy, but it's coming there. So next time some file work, and maybe we're going to start the heat treat, probably. So see you all in the next episode. Goodbye.